Hello, I'm Tom Petty from the Bay Area Search Engine Academy here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you are on Twitter, follow us on Bay Area SEA. Got all kinds of free information that we give you about search engine optimization and internet marketing. Try to get stuff out there every day. Today we're going to talk about headlines. Headlines are really important. When you're looking at the newspaper, the first thing that you do is you look at a headline. Decide whether you want to read that article or not. Headlines are also very useful in your website, and there's a specific way that you want to format them so that the search engines understand what they are. You may have seen something that looks like this with an H1 tag. That is your number one headline that you want to put on your website. You should only have one H1 headline on your website. It should be at the very top of your page, and it should include your keyword phrase that you want to optimize. You can also have subheadlines, which are H2, H3, H4. They actually go all the way down to H6, and you can also include your keyword phrases in those headlines as well. The question is, how many of each should you have? You should only have one H1, as I mentioned already. There is actually no difference between the H2 through H6 headlines on your page. So the nice thing is that you can format them differently using CSS, and so they look a little different. But as far as Google is concerned, they don't see any difference between the H2, H3, or any of the other header tags on your website. So what do the headlines do, the header tags do? They help identify what keyword phrase you're trying to optimize for that page, and Google will look at that, see if it matches with your title and description tags, and that will help you get ranked for that specific key phrase. But from a reader's perspective, it also helps because they are going to look at the headlines and they're going to look at the subheadlines, and it helps make it easier to read the content because it kind of breaks it up into sections, and it gives them an idea about what the article is all about or what that page on your website is all about. So use your header tags wisely, and they can help you get your page optimized for those specific key phrases. I'm Tom Petty from the Bay Area Search Engine Academy, and just remember, always flex your internet marketing muscle. Practice what we're talking about. Until next time.